A company based in Metro Atlanta is providing the technology to speed up response times for police and firefighters across the country. Roswell is the latest city to put that technology to use. Channel 2's Brian Mims is live in Roswell. And Brian, this technology helps clear congestion, which is really important for those first responders.
Absolutely. The city is installing this technology in all 107 of its traffic lights, including this one here on Holcomb Bridge Road behind me. It is designed to give emergency responders the green light and make conditions safe for all drivers. And the technology comes courtesy of a company in the city right next door.
Here's how the technology works. Each fire truck, ambulance, and police car is equipped with GPS and cellular devices that communicate with traffic lights. Workers have been installing equipment in the city's traffic signals to receive messages from emergency vehicles in need of a green light.
Those street lights are actually tracking via GPS that unit coming with lights and sirens. So it already knows you're coming. Not only does it know you're coming, it starts taking pre-action to clear, decongest that path.
Roswell Fire Chief Pabel Troche says for decades, first responders have relied on a line of sight with traffic signals to get green lights. The emergency vehicle's strobe lights and sirens can activate a traffic signal to turn green. But this new technology is all GPS driven. Roswell Mayor Kurt Wilson says it's a way to cut response times without building new fire stations at a cost of $12 million each.
I need you to be innovative, adaptive. I need you to say, look, we got a limited amount of money, right, in terms of revenue streams.
This emergency vehicle preemption technology costs about $770,000 and comes from Alpharetta-based Applied Information. Chief Troche says it could cut response times by about 20%, something he calls a game changer.
It's going to have a tremendous impact on our response times. It's going to lower those response times, which means we can get there faster, but also safer.
Applied Information has provided this technology to Alpharetta since 2019. City officials say in the first 6 months of installation, the system has cut response times by 18%, or 10 seconds per traffic light. Marietta also has the technology. Roswell plans to have all of its traffic lights equipped with the devices by October. Live in Roswell, Brian Mims, Channel 2 Action News.